our goal, since we chose to accept it, or our mission, is to walk on the lake back to the lake house. And I'm walking on the ice. Oh!
What?
I think it's thin.
What are you doing? Hey, don't come this way. Come back this way.
Dude, I think it's thin, seriously.
Okay, let's not do this.
Okay,
Want to check?
dude, I'm scared to walk back now.
Just head back.
Well, because there's like rocks stuck in the ice.
Here, take the stick.
What am I going to do with a stick? What am I going to do with a stick?